Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or use end-to-end encryption on Google Messages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And let's begin. Here we are just going to follow this Help Center article of Google Messages and we are going to learn how we can enable the end-to-end encryption. And simply you will be able to verify first if it is not already enabled, and to do so you will need just to check if there is a banner that says RCS chat on your Google Messages conversations. So if we go to our conversation list, you will need just to click on any conversation, and normally at the top it must say RCS chat, and then you will be able to choose your contact name or phone number. Or when you are going to send a message, you will need to find this lock icon that will be showing. And if you do not find it, that means that it is not enabled yet. Now, to enable it, you will be needing to have your RCS chat on on your Google Messages. And to enable it, we will be needing to simply go to the settings by clicking on your profile picture at the corner here. And by clicking on it, we will need just to go to Messages Settings. By clicking on Messages Settings, it will take us to the settings panel. And from here, we have the list of all the settings of our app. And as the first one that is showing is RCS chat. And if you do not find it, you might search for chat features and then click on it. After that, make sure that is on, and after that, you will be able to start confirming your verification code after that about like your encryption, etc. But it is not really matter, but what matters is to have your RCS chat, and then you will be able to have your end-to-end encryption messages or conversation on Google Messages. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.